how are we producing nitrogen from the air? So we are producing nitrogen from the air. In the air, how much percentage nitrogen you know? Nitrogen percentage in the air, 79% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, CO2 and CO and some other. Producing nitrogen in our plant have some equipment. Normally we are using 10 equipment. You see? This one first, main air compressor. Number 1, main air compressor. Number 2, air filter. Number 3, air dryer. Okay? Air dryer. Number 4, MOLY-sieve unit. This MOLY-sieve unit we can tell also adsorber. MOLY-sieve unit 2 vessel. One vessel continue regeneration and another vessel continue service. Normally regeneration time 6 hours. Okay. So number 4 complete. So after this is called main heat exchanger. This is also most important. This is called main heat exchanger. Number 5. Number 6 rectifier column. Understand?
Yes.
And number 7 condenser. 8. You see, this is called liquefier. So number 8 complete. Number 9 expansion turbine. And number 10 this receiving tank. So for the producing nitrogen we are using 10 equipment. Are we using nitrogen? We are using different. In the plant side we are using air compressor house. Compressor house we are using nitrogen. Flare side we are using nitrogen, and some pump as a ceiling we are using nitrogen. We are using nitrogen also in outside, medical side nitrogen using, it is a freezing side nitrogen using, and for making ice cream, that side also using nitrogen. So nitrogen different purposes we are using nitrogen. So this is most important nitrogen. But this nitrogen we are getting from this air.
From air.
I will inform one by one step which equipment function of the equipment. Okay. So in our plant, nitrogen production capacity, how much you know? Design capacity in our plant, GAN and lean product total capacity 1300. GAN means gaseous nitrogen, lean means liquid nitrogen. The GAN and lean product total capacity in our plant 1300 normal meter cube. But we are producing liquid nitrogen only 3%. So 1300 normal meter cube. If you calculate 3%, that time it will come only 39. So 39 normal meter cube we are producing liquid nitrogen, and maximum we are producing gaseous nitrogen. Understand? Okay. Okay, make it clear? Any confusion? Okay. So next, so you know this 1 normal meter cube liquid nitrogen, if I convert it to gases, it is coming around 694 normal meter cube. Okay, 1 normal meter cube liquid nitrogen equal to, if I convert it to gases, that time it will come 694 normal meter cube nitrogen, gaseous nitrogen. So 39 normal meter cube nitrogen is not less. Okay. But in our plant side, normally in a normal condition we are using LP nitrogen. LP means low pressure nitrogen, only 875 normal meter cube. Startup time we are using SP nitrogen per hour 1000 normal meter cube per hour. Yes, startup time only. But when all startup complete, that time HP nitrogen maybe. Yes. That time only 875 only LP nitrogen, because SP nitrogen high pressure 10 kg, LP nitrogen only 7 kg. So after startup we are using only LP nitrogen 875 normal meter cube. But nowadays some equipment we are using more nitrogen. For the reason nowadays we are producing 1000 normal meter cube nitrogen. Okay. Clear? Gunpowder. Yes, nitrogen.
How much?
1000. Nowadays we are producing 1000. But our design 1300. If required, we can produce 1,300. But now no.
100%.
Yes, only 100%. In 100% production, we can give 1,300. But our consumption now less, so
1,000.
only now we are producing 1,000. Okay. So our first equipment is compressor. So compressor capacity 2,600 normal meter cube at 8 kg pressure. Okay. Yeah, I told you before time. Our nitrogen capacity 1,300. But for 1,300 production of nitrogen, how much air required? You know, 1 meter cube, our required air 2.85 normal meter cube.
1,300.
So now we are in our design 1,300. So 1,300 multiple 2.85. That means 3,705 normal meter cube coming. But in our compressor capacity, how much? Only 2,600. So possible to give full production.
From air
For that reason, we are using now another line. This line coming from our another side also 3 compressor available. This remaining air we are collecting from this side. Here, our compressor is only 2,600. But for
around 400 from our.
yes, for producing 1,300 nitrogen required around 3,700 5 normal meter cube air. So remaining air we are taking this our another side 3 compressor, instrument air compressor. From this compressor we are taking remaining air around more than 1,100 we are taking from this side. Clear or not?
Yeah.
Okay. So now our consumption less. So now we are producing only 1,000 normal meter cube nitrogen. If we produce 1,300 normal meter cube nitrogen, that time air flow required 3,700. But we are producing less. Only 1,000. Only 1,000. For that reason, this air flow also only 3,000. Actually, after finishing this one, I will give one calculation on the blackboard. For 1,000 normal meter cube nitrogen, how much air required? This is also one calculation here. And how much air flow required? But now we are using 3,000 normal meter cube air. Actually, we are using more air. If you use more air, that time CO2 possible to coming in the air, and that time oxygen purity will be increased. So always need to maintaining and calculation how much production going, production capacity how much, now production how much going and how much air required, need to calculate. So now this air going more. Normally for 1,000 normal meter cube nitrogen production, air required 2,850 normal meter cube around. I will give calculation after how it is coming. Okay. Okay. So now 7.6 kg pressure. We are taking 3,000 normal meter cube air, this air compressor, and from this our another side air compressor. Okay?
Yes.
3,000 normal meter cube air, 7.6 kg pressure, 28 degree temperature. It will go through the air filter, because in the air also have some moisture. I forget to tell you, in the air have some moisture, and this nitrogen have, oxygen have, CO2 have, CO have, carbon monoxide have, and some impurities also have. But our need only,
Dust.
but in our plant only need this nitrogen, pure nitrogen, and other impurities we will return back. Okay, from this 3,000 air we will collect only 1,000 normal meter cube nitrogen, and remaining 2,000 normal meter washed gases we will return back. But how we will do this? I will tell you step by step. Okay. So 3,000 normal meter cube air, 7.6 kg pressure, 28 degree temperature. It will go through the air filter. When it will passes through the air filter, so that time some moisture remove. And this air filter you have seen local side have one solenoid bulb, auto solenoid bulb. When condensate, when air passing, that time some condensate accumulated in the filter side. So automatically this solenoid bulb remove this condensate. Okay. So this air filter main function to removing condensate, because our need dry air. Moisture air is not good for plant. Our target First time need to dry the air, and after need to remove the CO2, CO and other particles. Clear, Mr. Khalid?
Okay, very good.
Okay, so now some moisture removed from this air filter. So after this same flue, you see 3000 flue, 7.6 kg pressure, around same temperature, 30 degree temperature, it will go to the dryer.
Dry.
Dryer means dry. It will also dry air.
Remove also.
Yes, remove condensate. This side also one solenoid bulb have. This solenoid bulb main function to removing the condensate. Here I have some condensate. This condensate accumulated this trap, and this solenoid bulb continue remove this condensate, and they will dry the air. Okay. When passes this the air there, this air will be dry. So after this one, you see temperature also still around almost same, small difference. So 3000 flow, still 3000 normal meter cube flow, 7.6 kg pressure and 30 degree temperature. It will go in the molesive unit. This is most important unit. Molesive unit. This is most important unit.
Yes, yes.
This unit we are using two vessel.
One
One vessel continue regeneration, one vessel continue service. Okay, you can call this adsorber also. Adsorber.
object for remove
Adsorber.
all-
Yes, adsorber means when which vessel are service condition. Service condition, they will absorb all molecules, because in our air not
But
possible to
by
empty-
what remove this CO and CO2?
silica gel.
Silica.
Yeah, this inside silica gel have. This silica gel absorb the all molecules. Impurities they will absorb. So we are using two vessel. One vessel for regeneration, another vessel for service. So which vessel are service now? This vessel are service condition. So this vessel,
B.
all molecule they will absorb. Only they will free nitrogen. And another molecule they will try. All molecule they will try to absorb. Carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, silica oxide, which molecule are available in the air, maximum molecule they will absorb this service vessel.
So, condensate.
Okay, so all molecule they absorb. When they absorb, so this one need to release. How we will release? Because we are using 3000 normal meter cube air, but producing only 1000 normal meter cube nitrogen, but 2000 washed gas remaining. This washed gas coming from this line. Around 2000 normal meter cube washed gas coming from this line and coming this regeneration vessel.
This was gas purity oxygen?
Yes, this washed gas have oxygen, nitrogen. But how much quantity have? I will give calculation. Only remember me after. Okay. In this air, because normal air 79% nitrogen, 21% oxygen. But this washed gas, how much oxygen, how much nitrogen? I will give calculation. So this 2000 normal meter cube washed gas, this is coming which area? This regeneration vessel. We are regenerating vessel by this washed gas, because regeneration also many step. Main step is heating and cooling. Normally all gases which molecules absorb, this molecule removed by this heating time. When they will give heating time, this regeneration heater on. When heater on, that time more temperature coming. When more temperature enter the vessel, you see this line is coming this vessel, and this all molecule will go out this atmosphere.
Venting.
Nice process. This washed gas coming from expansion turbine outlet. I will show you from where this is coming. I will show you also, no problem. From where this washed gas coming, this is also I will show you.
ولا تستعمل كوندنسات.
Okay. So this around 2000 normal meter cube washed gas,
turbine,
only
turbine.
0.35 kg pressure. Expansion turbine discharge pressure only 0.35. You know before time? Don't know. This is most important. Expansion turbine discharge pressure 0.35. So this washed gas coming 0.35 kg pressure and temperature almost 30 degree. This side two vessel. One vessel continue
Service,
regeneration and one other vessel continue service. Regeneration time 6 hours. around 3 hours heating, 3 hours cooling. After cooling, it will go service. And heating time, maximum molecule particles release.
And cooling by?
Cooling by normal temperature. That time heater stop,
Yes. Oh,
heater off, and normal temperature cooling start. When cooling complete, that time vessel change. Which one before time regeneration, it will go to service, and which one before time service, it will go to regeneration.
One give regeneration.
Yeah, 6 hours.
6 hours.
After 6 hours, this side have given time.
After 6 hours, you need
Automatically, one vessel
Go
will go service, another vessel will go regeneration. Which vessel service, which vessel are service condition, this vessel collect molecule, and which vessel are regeneration condition, this vessel release molecule. Okay? Answer okay?
but this cooler and heater.
Heater.
Only heater.
Only heater. Cooler no need.
بعد يحبس
Because,
يحبس هذا
واللي التمبريتشر تاعها نورمال.
because this expansion turbine outlet temperature, expansion turbine outlet temperature minus 180 degree. But temperature, but this temperature one stage increase. When increase, I will show you, no problem. This clear? This is any question about this?
No, go
Mr.
after
Kasas Kamal, any question? Okay.
clear.
Okay. So now these vessel are service condition, these vessel are regeneration condition. You can see also this timer. Now heating condition, for that reason heater on condition. When this is coming cooling, heater automatically it will be off.
Off.
Okay, stop. So now remaining time 39 minutes remaining for complete of heating. After heating, again I start cooling. After 3 hours, it will go, it will change over. That time it will go service, that time it will go service, it will go regeneration.
Regeneration.
Clear? Any confusion? 30 degree temperature, 7.5 kg pressure, and 3000 flow, still 3000 flow. This 3000 flow will passes through this absorber. Passes through the absorber. When it will be passes through the absorber, some pressure will reduce, because you see this side pressure 7.6 kg. So after passing the absorber, pressure is small reduce 7.5 kg. So after passing this line, that type of this side also pressure should be reduced, because this side long line. So now 7.2 kg pressure, around 3000 normal meter cube air, and 30 degree temperature, 34 degree temperature. It will go. You see this side no CO2, no CO.
Yes.
All
remove.
CO2 they absorb. This is service absorber absorb. When it will be regeneration coming, that time it will be released.
Venting.
Venting in atmosphere. Okay? Okay, so now no carbon dioxide, no carbon monoxide. So this flow, now it will go to the main heat exchanger. This is also most important. All equipment actually most important. Main heat exchanger. Heat exchanger, you know heat exchanger meaning? Heat exchanger means they will exchange temperature. Which is more temperature, they will release the temperature. Which is less temperature, they will collect temperature. This is the main function. Okay? This line temperature 30 degree, pressure 7.2 kg.
Yes.
7.2 kg. So it will go through the main heat exchanger. This temperature reduce around minus 168 degree. How much difference happen? Understand this function?
Because these are coming from turbine.
Yes, I am telling. Yes.
Minus 180.
80.
80, yes.
Around minus 180. You see this side total 4 line.
Yes.
This is molesive line. Main line. This main line. This side temperature 30 degree around. And this is gun product line. I will also show you after no problem. This is gun product line. This temperature minus 170 degree. Pressure around 7 kg. 7 kg pressure minus 170 degree. And this is coming from liquefier. Before time I told you one liquefier, condenser area. Liquefier.
yes.
These are coming
Waste
from
gas.
liquefier. This set temperature also minus 170 to 73 degree. Okay, and the pressure 3.4 kg. So this line pressure 3.4 kg, this line pressure around 7 kg, and this line pressure 7.2 kg. And another one coming, you see, liquefier air coming, this main heat exchanger. After it will go expansion turbine. After it will be again return. When return from expansion turbine, that time this temperature coming minus 180 degree around. I will show you no problem. Yeah, minus 180 degree and pressure 0.35. So this line pressure 0.35, this line pressure 3.4 kg from liquefier side, this line pressure 3.4 kg, which one coming from expansion turbine 0.35.
Oh,
0.35. Okay, and which one coming from this rectifier column? This
Seven.
pressure 7 kg and temperature minus 170. Okay, because our gun product need more temperature. Our gaseous nitrogen product, this temperature more than 30. If this is less than 7 minus 170, that time it is also liquid. So gaseous nitrogen means not liquid nitrogen. This one gaseous means this type of temperature. But normally in nitrogen, boiling point minus 194 degrees centigrade. Boiling point of nitrogen minus 194 degrees centigrade. Okay. So this is our main line. 1.2 kg pressure, 1000 normal meter cube air flow, 30 degree centigrade temperature. When it will be passing from the main heat exchanger, this temperature down. How much down? Around minus 168 degree coming. After it will go where? Rectifier column. This rectifier column, this inside have around 50 trays.
Plato.
50 tray, small tray, passing this air from by this tray. Inside. This is inside. You cannot see, normally local side you cannot see which equipment. Local side you cannot see this mini heat exchanger. You see many heat exchanger?
In the tower.
Tower. Cool
White
box.
tower.
In the cool box, 5 equipment installed in the cool box. We cannot see from local side. Which one equipment? First equipment, main heat exchanger. Second equipment, rectifier column. Third equipment, condenser. Fourth equipment, liquefier. And fifth equipment, expansion turbine. These 5 equipment we cannot see from local side because all are box up condition.
Expansion turbine also.
Expansion turbine also box up in the box of cool box. These 5 equipment installed in the cool box inside. We cannot see from outside.
Outside this.
Clear? Okay. Okay, Mr. Khalid? So rectifier column. This side also have more trays, 50 trays, 50 trays. So when this is through the trays, this pressure also should reduce.
Yes.
Because they obstruct. When good process some obstruct. For that reason pressure should reduce and temperature also should reduce. Because normally this temperature minus 168. When passes by from the top side, this temperature will come down around minus 170 degree. So this 3000 air when passes from this rectifier column, that time the temperature will reduce and the pressure also small reduce. Why reducing? You see this side another line coming from condenser. Product coming, nitrogen coming, this nitrogen temperature very less. So when one line coming from this side, another line going from this side, so this side also some counter contact.
2 lines.
2 line. Inside 2 lines. When counter contact, some temperature difference. Temperature some decrease.
Yeah, one very cold and
Understand? Answer okay?
Yes.
What is this?
This product will go 2 line. One line going this condenser and another line going this,
Main heat exchanger.
another line going this main heat exchanger. After it will go to gun product, gaseous nitrogen product. So our target gaseous nitrogen product, how much we have keep set point 1000.
1000.
We can produce gaseous nitrogen 1000 normal meter cube per hour. So by this line total product 3000 normal meter cube. But this one, this gaseous nitrogen we are producing now 1000 normal meter cube. But our product 3000 normal meter cube. So gaseous nitrogen, this temperature how much I told you before time? Around minus 170 degree. So you see,
1.7.
this 1000 or first time I will brief you this gun product, after I will brief you lean product. First time
Liquid
gaseous
and
product,
gas,
after
yes.
liquid product. So this 1000 normal meter cube gaseous nitrogen will go, you see, minus 170. Okay. So this minus 170 degree temperature, 7 kg pressure, around 7 kg pressure, it will passes through the main heat exchanger. When it will passes through the main heat exchanger, temperature, they will gain temperature. Because this temperature 30 degree.
Yes.
And this temperature
Change.
minus 170
So
degree,
you can
they will change.
Second give.
Yes, they will exchange.
Yeah. One take,
واحد
one
ابسولفر
One.
تمبيراتير سكند
One loss and one gain.
Yes, like that.
So they this gun product temperature they will gain. The temperature increase around 30 degree, and after it will go to the, you see, main gun product line. When coming this line, this pressure should reduce. You see now 6.8 kg. Because long line, when coming through slowly, pressure should reducing possible. Okay. So you see this 6.8 kg pressure coming. So now we are producing 1000 normal meter cube nitrogen, 6.8 kg pressure. But how we are producing, I already brief you. Understand everything? Gun product, about gun product. Any question about gun product?
This temperature 32.
Hey, 32. No problem, 32 sometimes. This is depend of this heat exchanger side. If this temperature sometime coming 35, 38,
Take it
that from the air dryer.
yes.
When this temperature coming from the air dryer more, that time this out temperature also more. Clear or not? So this gun product, now we are producing gun product 1000 normal meter cube, 6.8 kg pressure from the air. Total air we are using 3000 normal meter cube. But now we are taking only 1000 normal meter cube. How much remaining?
2000
2000.
2000 normal meter cube.
غاز with nitrogen.
Yes, gas with nitrogen. But how much nitrogen, how much gas, it is also I will brief you on the board. You remember me only, okay? How much in the 2000 air, in the 2000 air, how much nitrogen, how much gas,
Composite.
how much percentage, I will brief you. Okay? So this side going 1000 normal meter cube, we are using as a gun product. Remaining 2000 normal meter cube, it will coming in the condenser. 1000 normal meter cube coming to the condenser, and this side also you see another line also coming. This side also some temperature difference, exchange. Main function only exchanging. When temperature coming down, more possibility of producing more nitrogen. For that reason, this side also some exchange. And this product, this side pressure how much? Around 7 kg pressure. 7 kg pressure passes through the condenser. When this passes through the condenser, this side they counter contact another line, and that time this temperature again come down. When again come down, that time increasing. Nitrogen production increasing. So this nitrogen, when passes through this line, this one nitrogen. Maximum it is nitrogen. So this 2000 normal meter cube product coming from this condenser, when coming, one portion will go to the receiver tank. Only, I told you before time, only 3% going from the production. If 1300 production, that time only 39 normal meter cube will go to the vessel, storage tank. And remaining nitrogen will come in the rectifier column. Okay? So so only 3% going, only to 3% we are receiving in the storage tank, and remaining nitrogen we are receiving in rectifier column. This set pressure 7 kg. When passes through the rectifier column, I told you this side around 50 trays. When will passes through the rectifier column, this pressure again will be come down. Okay, and this side also some nitrogen. This side, see this nitrogen will accumulate it in the rectifier column inside this level. You see this green?
Yes.
This green one is nitrogen. Okay, so remaining nitrogen and some content of oxygen all are accumulated in the rectifier column. When this passes through the rectifier column, this pressure is more reduced and temperature also reduced. So if more temperature reduced, more nitrogen production. Okay. So this nitrogen, this vessel, we are maintaining level 42%.
هذه هي
42.
والاخر اللي يروح هذاك ثاني this one.
Lean product, liquid nitrogen product bulk. 3% liquid continue we are sending in the
This loop,
storage
this
tank.
loop valve, there is a loop here.
When
With
open
level-
this valve.
If this valve close, column level will increase and this level also increase. How it will be increase? How it will be increase?
فوقاني يجيب لك لتحتاني فيزي يطلع لي نيفو
Because this side one circulation line.
خاطر يدوروا
When this one
يتعمروا
close, this one going this side. When this side, because this side pressure less, this both side increasing.
Yes.
If this valve close, both sides increasing. Because we given limit 42%. We will not take more than 42%. If this valve close, this
Level
valve-
increase.
Yes, level increase.
Automatically increase.
Because this product going this side and this product again going this side, managing level, controlling level. If this one close, this level increase, this level also increase.
Increase, yes.
Understand? This one circulation tablet.
Circulation.
Clear now? Okay, so around 3% nitrogen we are sending in the storage tank and remaining product we are receiving in the rectifier column. But when passes through the rectifier column, this pressure and temperature small reduce and more nitrogen producing. But we will not take more nitrogen. We are given 142, one limit, not crossing 42. But if more than 42, that time what will happen? This nitrogen, when more than 42 nitrogen accumulated, this nitrogen will go by this line. You see, by liquefier, it will go to the
Condenser.
condenser. How much pressure? We are giving this at 3.4 kg pressure, 7 kg. When it is coming down, when it is coming down, this pressure reduce. When it level increase, pressure also increase. When pressure increase, this product will go to the 3.4 kg pressure condenser. If rectifier column pressure low and condenser pressure high, that time not possible to go condenser. Because which one will be receive less than 2 sending vessel. Like nitrogen tank pressure we are maintaining 5.3 kg and this nitrogen
6.9.
pressure around 7 kg.
Yes.
Clear or not? So for that reason we are maintaining this vessel pressure 3.4 kg. If pressure more than 3.4 kg, this product will go through the
gravity.
condenser. But before going condenser, it will go in the liquefier. Why they will go liquefier? This side also need to again temperature reduce. Main function to reducing only temperature. So when this product will go through the liquefier column, that side also temperature is small reduce. And after it will go to the condenser. And condenser clear now clear?
Yes, yes, clear.
3.4 kg pressure we are collecting around again this around 2000 normal meter cube product coming by this line.
Yes.
It is coming downside by a tube and after it is going
Top side.
top side and after it is coming the liquefier. Main purpose only reducing temperature. Okay, Mansur? Okay, I am telling again. This side almost 2000 normal meter cube air. It will go through the liquefier column. After it will go in the condenser. After condenser, it will again return because they will cool down this line.
This line.
This
هذه تبرد
because
inside.
inside more gases. These gases they will cool down and produce nitrogen. And this nitrogen, before time I inform you, one line go 3% going this side and maximum coming this side. It is circulating and producing. Sir, now understand?
Like this.
Because this.
لا هو اللي
Yes, yes,
يصير
yes,
عليه
yes, yes. Yes,
Okay.
Mr. Kamal, yes.
هذيك الزرقاء.
This is product. This is
اسمها هذيك
product.
ودي-
Yes, correct.
One quantity here and 3% on
هو
her.
هذا
This is
اللي
in the vessel.
Yes, yes. But in our hand, only 20,000 normal meter cube product. This product continues circulating and some nitrogen creating, producing. Yes. Why this line? Because in this vessel, possibility to some oxygen.
أكسجين.
If oxygen and this CO2 available in this vessel, that time possible to level fluctuation. For the removing fluctuation, we are giving one bent line. This is bent line.
Yes.
Continue some liquid passes.
There is
Right.
flow
Flow meter.
Yes.
Continuous
وين هذا؟ فيها اكسشينجر برا ولا
هذيك
فيها
اللي جايه
هاكا
تطلع
Yes, so
موسيف.
we are using this
كاين
line
ديجا فانا تاع
for
كومبوسور
like flashing.
فلاشين
We are using this line like flashing
with
because
air contact with air
yes,
atmosphere
is atmosphere.
ماشي
Okay, clear?
ياك
Okay. Okay, after if any question you can ask me, no problem. I will try to give answer. Okay, so now this product will go this vessel and cool down this inside product. Okay, inside product, and after it will go out from this vessel condenser. You go out from this condenser. How much quantity? Around 20,000 flow. Still around 20,000 flow. But pressure how much? Going out from the condenser, that time pressure how much? You can tell me?
بريشر
The most munzo?
3.3
Good, very good. 3.5. So this expansion turbine inlet pressure 3.4. Now understand? You see. This 3.4 kg pressure, 2000 normal meter cube, 2000 normal meter cube product per hour. It will go through the liquefier. Because why it will go liquefier? Because our need to again temperature reduce. Okay, Mr. Khaled, I am telling you this one. This line, this one bypass line. We are using this line normally startup time because startup time in the air more oxygen passing. Because that time regeneration, not proper regeneration. So this more oxygen need to reduce. For that reason, sometime we open this valve for reducing more oxygen immediately. Okay, this is bypass. Normally we keep close
بايبر
condition.
هذاك اللي نحلوها جاي عارفه شو
So this 3.4 kg pressure, around 2000 normal meter cube of product flow, it will go through the liquefier for reducing temperature. After it will go where? Gone to main heat exchanger.
Waste nitrogen.
Oh,
من هذا
this line. This is washed gas. You see washed gas from liquefier. This side pressure how much? 3.4 kg. Temperature may be around minus 172, 73. 3 degrees centigrade. So it will go heat exchanger. Why it will go main heat exchanger? Flow temperature we have to reduce it. For that reason we are using this line for reducing the temperature. After reducing temperature, this temperature is small increase because they will release temperature. This line will gain, this line release. So maybe this temperature again coming minus 168, 170. So your temperature it will be reduced. So this this product will go where? Kamal? Turbine. Expansion turbine. So expansion turbine, very small turbine, like this. We also don't see before time. This is inside of the box. But this turbine RPM very high.
very high
44,500. Turbine RPM 44,500. If it is moving, you cannot see it is moving or steady condition.
نشوف
Very quickly is moving.
you can
Speed very high.
see
LPM.
Okay. So this expansion turbine, we are using expansion turbine RPM 44,500, and inlet pressure we are using 3.4 kg. So this 3.4 kg around 2000 normal meter cube product will come in the expansion turbine. If expansion turbine 100% load condition, but now expansion turbine valve opening only 46%, so 100% not opening. So for that reason, this bypass valve also 36% open condition, because all product not coming expansion turbine, maximum product coming expansion turbine, and some product
go
go through the bypass valve for maintain pressure. If you close this bypass valve, that time this expansion turbine inlet pressure will be increased, because this expansion turbine valve opening is small, but the product coming more, so pressure it will be increased. It will be big problem. For that reason, continue need to open this expansion turbine bypass valve at least minimum 5%.
Search.
Expansion turbine RPM 34,300. So when passes through the expansion turbine, this expansion turbine inlet pressure 3.4 kg, outlet pressure expansion turbine outlet pressure coming down 0.35 kg.
purpose for turbine to take
This purpose of turbine reduce. Mr. Antor, reducing temperature also reduce also pressure,
pressure yes.
because our wash gas pressure need less. Not more using expansion turbine for reducing pressure, for reducing temperature. After passing through the expansion turbine, discharge temperature minus 180 around, minus 180 degree centigrade, and Okay, minus one.
تبرد وتكون شيء.
Okay, minus 180 degree centigrade and pressure 0.35 kg. After it will go again, main heat exchanger.
How do you live?
You see, again this will go main heat exchanger.
After Morsi.
Okay, so pressure how much this side?
مرسي في خرج.
0.35. So 0.35 K pressure minus 180 degree centigrade temperature. This 2000 normal meter cube flow per hour, it will go through the main heat exchanger. It will go directly to the
مرسي
Molly sieve unit for
مرسي go to
regeneration.
regeneration and go.
After it will go through the directly atmosphere. Go to the absorber. Which absorber are regeneration condition? This absorber side it will go. And regeneration time. When heating time, it will out the molecule CO2 which one absorb before time. This molecule it will release in the atmosphere. This is the main function. Understand? Any question? If not question, I will show calculation, some calculation.
Good.
This is most important calculation, most important for Mansur. You can also learn. This is good for all. Clear?
There.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Mansur.
Yes.
So I told you this our nitrogen unit capacity 1300. For the 1300, how much air flow is required? You can calculate production 1300 and air ratio 2.85.
هكاك دير لك يما الساعة تا كاميرا مان
Gun and link product capacity 1300, but our air ratio 2.85.
Yes.
For producing 1 normal meter cube nitrogen, our required air 2.85. So if you calculate 1300 into
Around
2.85, 3705. 3705. Okay, normal meter cube per hour. Okay, but
الرشي
air ratio. Okay, but now we are using only, but
3000
our production only
1000
1000 normal meter cube.
Yes.
But for 1000 normal meter cube, how much air is required?
3000 around
Okay,
2008.
yes, 2850.
2850
Yes, I am calculating because our product now 1000. Okay,
Well,
but our
1010.
capacity how much? 1300. So if you divided by this, how was coming? 1000 divided by 1300.
زيادة zeros
0.77 almost.
Yeah.
Okay, this product coming 0.77. But our air ratio, how much? 2.85.
85.
You have to multiply this air ratio, and this production how much? 1300. Okay. So now how much coming?
2850
2.85 into 1300, 2849, around 2850.
Yes.
50
2849.9, around you can tell 2850
No, no, not cute.
normal meter cube. Okay, clear?
Yes.
So, but now we are using more here. We are using now 3000 normal meter
3000.
cube. Actually, we are using more because we are some this bypass valve is still show open condition, small open condition. For the reason we are using more. Okay. So I told you before time, in this air 3000 air, how much nitrogen? Now we will calculate this one. In the
Liquid
3000
or
total nitrogen.
total?
In the air, how much nitrogen?
عملية ثلاثية خرج.
Percentage? In the air, nitrogen percentage. how much?
79 and
79.
yes, percent.
Correct? Good. Glass no have, eh? Okay. In a air, nitrogen percentage how much? 79%.
79%.
You can calculate. In 100% air, nitrogen available How much?
Same.
79%.
soldier.
79 from? Coming from?
In the air, atmosphere air. 8% air, nitrogen 79%. But now we are using 3000 normal meter, 100% air.
Here, yes.
Nitrogen available 79%. In 1% air, nitrogen available 79 divided by
0.7.
okay, yes, correct. So we are using now 3000 normal meter cube air. So in 3000 normal meter cube air, nitrogen available 79 into 3000 divided by 100. This cancel, this cancel. Okay. So now 79 into remaining 30. You can calculate how much? 79
2000.
2000 2370. Okay.
2500.
2370. So this 3000 normal meter cube air, we are getting nitrogen 2370 normal meter cube. Clear? But we are using how much? We are using only
2000.
1000 normal meter.
1000.
So remaining nitrogen how much? Remaining
1300.
good, very good. Remaining nitrogen 2370 minus 1000 is equal to 1370 normal meter cube nitrogen now remaining. So now we find out already nitrogen, total nitrogen 2370 normal meter cube in a 3000 normal meter cube air. But in a 3000 normal meter cube air, how much oxygen? This is also we can find out easy equation.
600.
Around 630.
Yes.
Okay, I am giving calculation for V1 because someone also need to understand me. You understand very quickly. This is very good. So, like before, in 100% air, oxygen available 21%. 1% air,
خلينا ناخذ
oxygen
هذا البحث
2100. Okay. Total 3000 normal meter cube air oxygen 21 into 3000 100. Okay. This one cancel. 21
600.
into 30
630.
630. Okay. So oxygen 630 and nitrogen we get 2370. Okay, Mr. Khaled, Mr. Kasakan, okay, clear?
Yes, yes.
Huh? We found
Oxygen and
nitrogen 2370 and oxygen
Plus.
630.
3000.
Total
3000.
3000. Okay, calculation clear? So 3000. We are producing nitrogen 2370, but 1000 already we are using in the plant.
Yes.
Remaining
1370.
1370. So remaining nitrogen 1370 and the remaining oxygen 630
600.
because we are not using oxygen. All oxygen we are return back. So total 2000. Clear? So total 2000 waste gas we are send back. Where will send back? This molecule unit
Yes.
for regeneration.
Waste gas.
Regeneration purpose. But in this 2000 normal meter cube waste gas, how much nitrogen?
Divided by 2000.
Yes, here, good. Very good. 1000 nitrogen, now return nitrogen 1370, okay? But total waste gas 2000. So if you divide it by this one, 1370 divided by 2000. 0.685. 0.685 percentage of nitrogen. Understand?
Yes.
Nitrogen percentage So oxygen percentage how much?
0.3,
Good, very good.
32,
Because
like that.
return oxygen 630, but total washed gas
2000.
2000. So we can calculate easily
0.32.
0.315. Okay. If your calculation is 0.685 plus 0.315,
One.
it will come down 1, means 100%.
This in regeneration.
This all product going for
Regeneration.
regeneration purpose. Clear? You think? Munsur boss colleague, Munsur, you give nitrogen production 1200.
1,200. Yes.
Okay, so when I will give 1200, that time how
200.
much air flow required?
Multiply it.
2.8.
No, because this one was informed to keep 1200, our total capacity 1300. We will, first time we will divided by 1200 divided by 1300. 0.92. 0.92. That means your boss informed you keep your production 92%. In a 100%, in a 100%. 1300 means 100% production. But
Yes,
if
yes.
you give 1200, that time 92%. Okay, but our air ratio how much? 2.85.
2.85.
So this is coming, this production for what? Total capacity. Multiply total capacity. That time how much coming? 0.92 multiply 2.85 multiply 1300.
1,400.
400.
3,408. If your boss inform, please give production 1,200. That time, first time you have to keep 3,408 normal meter cube air flow. After need to adjust this one.
This one.
Clear? But in our plan now, how much production going on? Come on, please one time check. 1,000 we are giving set value, but this process value how much? Maybe 900.
Increase.
1026.
Our consumption less, for that reason they are taking only 938. So for the 938, how much air ratio in the plant? We can easily find out.
900? How much?
938, 938,
938.
938. So air ratio how much? Because our
Multiply
air flow 3000. Okay, but now production 938. Okay, now air ratio how much? 3000 divided by 938. Air flow 3.19. 3.19. You can check air ratio how much? 3.19 or not?
Yeah, ratio.
3.2. So maybe this production should increase. Maybe 940. Because this one sometimes fluctuations.
Change,
Two normal meter to one normal meter fluctuation. Okay. So you can calculation how much air ratio required, because sometimes this air ratio problem. So anyone call, and now air ratio how much? You can calculate and you can tell easily. Now air ratio like this. Correct?
Yes.
And you can calculate also this production. You put this air flow. If you put air flow 2500, how much required is gun product?
Multiply.
Not multiply.
Divide.
Our
Yes.
air ratio
Air ratio, yes.
2.85. So that means 2500 divided by 2.85. That means 877. 877. If air ratio, if air flow less, that time gun product you can calculation easily. Clear or not? On the clear?
Yes.
Any confusion? So this is very easy calculation. So any question about this, Mr. Khalid?
Next shift.
Next shift will also.
We repeat.
If any problem, if you don't understand anything, after you will discuss only this. And inshallah, next time I will show you how to start nitrogen plant.
Yes.
Start a procedure.
Procedure.
Okay?
Discipline.
And after I will show you this desalination startup. Desalination theoretical.
Inshallah.
If possible, inshallah, I will show you the desalination startup and many this the utility plant, many sections.
Okay.
If I one by one give lecture, maybe need more than 1 month. Okay, I will try. Which one most important? Lecture.
Fethi and
I will.
Hussein coming.
انت تفرج تمام هذا.
Okay, inshallah. I will.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you for this.
Okay, he is Mr. Mansoor, panel operator, and he is Mr. Antor, and he is Mr. Khalid, and he is Mr. Kasis Kamal.
And he is Mr. Falah.
Okay, thank you very much for time being.